So did you open it?
So we're gonna be playing Monkey on the Shelf now. Alright, so where you going, Golden Hat? Alright, everyone up.
You know how to do color.
We're playing Color Rush.
No, Monkey on the Shelf.
Color Rush.
Oh, we're playing. Oh,
We're playing
okay.
Color Rush. You know
I guess we're playing
we're
Color
playing
Rush.
like 2 rounds of Color Rush, and then we're gonna play that.
I'm not gonna lie, I've never played Color Rush before, so. How do you play Color Rush? No, Okay.
So when you guys go past here, I can tag you. But when you're not past here,
Where are
so
we
you're, like,
supposed to
back
get
here,
to? Where
I
are we
can't
supposed to
tag
get
you.
to?
Llamas
Where are we supposed
can't go in there, but normal players can go in there. Once you guys get past this, like once you get on the gravel, you guys are good.
Okay.
You're not playing.
I know.
Alright.
You go sit on the shelf.
Dang. He really put him on the shelf like that?
Bro.
Oh, he turned inside
Welcome,
out.
Savvy, yes.
Okay, can we start?
I pick light pink.
Me.
So
Me?
No, you're dark pink.
so I'm supposed to
That's
go.
light purple.
I'm light pink.
Yeah, you're supposed to go. The other
Me
you
or him?
Oh my goodness.
No.
Oh my goodness.
Pink. Pink.
He's crippled. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god!
he went flying. I got stuck. Let's play that again.
Yeah, let's play that again.
Alright, let's play that again. Alright, come on. Alright, I picked black.
Are you being racist?
Oh,
That's
we said it at
racist.
the same time.
You can't go back here. You can't.
I'm just peeking. I'm just looking.
Hi, sir. Can I please go past?
Get back here. Come on. You got it. Come on, you got this, boy. Go for it. Yeah, you got balls out here.
I tagged that. I tagged him over here. I'm over here. I'm over here. I'm over here. I'm over here.
That's not fair because you tagged me when I was out there.
Whoa!
Oh my
You're
God.
screaming! Tag them all! Tag them all! Okay, I definitely tagged him. So,
Tag him.
okay, no, cowboy, you are it. Chill, buddy. Buddy, chill. Calm down. Calm down. Don't make me cross you.
He just got so mad.
That's a furry. It's a furry. Oh, my controller. My controller. It's a griefer. It's a griefer.
You just grieved.
You're staring! Where are you going, sir? Goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm ready for this.
You can't go
to the city shop for this time.
Oh my gosh!
What's the point?
Oh my!
Wait, guys, should we just wait? Wait, guys, let's just do tag. Guys, let's just do.
Alright, let's do tagging and shop. Let's do tag and shop. Oh nah. Hey, yo, don't hide with me. Hey, yo, he's over here. Hey, hey.
Can I just change my hat, please? Can I please change my hat? You're dead, bud.
You guys can only go inside city shop. You guys can only go inside shop when I'm tagging you.
Yo, your butt cheek is sticking.
It's fake.
Oh my gosh.
I forgot to retweet. Man, I'm not fair. The other dude's over there off the map.
Let's go. Ah!
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 Can he juke
him.
I went like this, and he went like this.
Oh crap! I gotta go put golden mask back on.
Can't see nothing. Blinded by the light, sir. That's crazy. Personally, I could never, so. What? What?
What?
Most controller just collapsed.
I can't.
No, bro.
Can't see nothing, can you?
Controller broke.
My God.
He's it. His controller, bro. Yes. He's crippled. Oh.
He's crippled.
Why am I?
I'm not getting found.
He makes people crippled.
Suck at this.
bro?
Got him.
Dang,
I
get
juked him a
caught.
couple
Excuse
times.
me. Really, I can never.
This is cheating, bro. On my speed.
Get him.
Let's go. Come on.
I see you. Okay.
I see you.
Oh my gosh, the speed boost.
Controller.
I still haven't gotten. I still haven't been at first yet, so that's good.
Help me.
Help the man.
Met some of you.
Huh? What? Yo, he's stuck.
Guys, so scary.
That's scary.
I've only got one hand.
He's in the wall. Oh my gosh, I just ran into him.
Golden mask. I choose you. I choose you.
Can't see nothing, can you? Hey, that's not nice. Hey, yo, that's not nice, sir.
You here.
Oh, frick.
Oh, you're not J-Man.
Frick.
Oh my god. Bro's doing the cha-cha-cha, bro. Hey, bro, look, this is dancing.
Hey, Macarena, hi. 1 Macarena, 2 Macarena, 3 Macarena. Bro's kissing him upside down.
Yo.
Oh my god.
No.
Oh, that guy toxic.
Yeah, of course.
Insert cash.
Okay, because a bunch of people are
What?
Pink ran.
I don't care.
No, because I thought like a bunch of people are getting on.
Well, absolutely.
Everybody report
Y'all
Cracker
wanna play
for
Color
hate
Rush?
speech.
I'm not
Guys, whoever
leaving
ate-
football.
Color Rush.
Report Cracker for hate speech.
Bye. My what?
Ooh, for his
Why you need
speech.
my phone? So?
It's Color Rush.
Why?
It's Color Rush.
Mm-hmm.
At least you're
I don't
on
have
your
my phone.
recording.
You stupid Nick.
I don't know.
Hey, yo, shut up.
No. You don't need my phone. Oh, why? For what?
I do need your phone because I need to see your history real quick.
Here, fine. Alright.
Bro, you're
Why do
toxic.
you need
Nobody
my
cares about you. Actually, go die. Literally.
That's what your mom did, and your grandma, and your
Oh,
grandpa.
snap. Oh,
There's the
snap.
one who was basically.
Oh my goodness, he ran into the wall. Oh my goodness. Oh my good. Oh my goodness. Oh my
I just don't
goodness.
want to buy
Imagine getting
it.
juked so many times. You're trash. Juke him.
Bro, you trash.
Bro, I just juked you so many times. Oh gosh, my controller. I don't have on my straps.
Oh my goodness.
Easy.
Easy. Yay, my
You're
controller's not
trash.
broken.
I want to 1v1 you.
Oh shoot.
Okay,
Guess
I'm
who's
going
it,
for
buddy?
this then.
Can I 1v1 him?
I'm coming with you, man.
I'm 1v1ing him.